How to fix numeric keys not working on Windows. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So make sure your num keyboard or the num lock key is turned on and not locked. After that, go to settings. Now go to accessibility. Now go to mouse. And from here, if your use your numeric keypad to move your mouse pointer is toggled on, simply toggle it off and your problem should be fixed. You can also change it directly by using the num keyboard or the num key in your keyboard. That should lie just above the numeric keys. Sometimes that just toggling on or pressing the num pad or the num button will automatically fix the problem. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.